the Southwestern Side Salad, you're going to need 2 cups of corn, 2 avocados, about 15 to 20 cherry or grape tomatoes, and a half a cup of finely diced onions, a quarter of a cup of chopped cilantro, for the dressing, you're going to need 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 tablespoon fresh lime juice, 1/4 of a teaspoon of salt, and 1/4 of a teaspoon of pepper. Now you're going to mix that all together and you're going to add that to your salad. And your salad is pretty much done just the way it is. Now you're going to mix your dressing and your salad together, give it a good mixing, and you're going to let that sit while you're making your quesadillas. Now I have added an extra ingredient to this salad, and that is because I had leftover pasta, so I added that to the salad as well. So now let's move on to the chicken quesadillas. So I have 2 large chicken breasts that I'm going to cut up into cubes. To the chicken, you're going to add a tablespoon of 14 spice rub, 1 tablespoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, and half a teaspoon of pepper. Now, if you're looking for a printed version of this recipe or any of my recipes, you can find them on Patreon by becoming a VIP Skullhead member. You can download, print off any of the recipe cards and any labels that I have designed for any of my projects. So please consider becoming a VIP Skullhead member to have access. So we're going to cook the chicken ahead of time so that it will be cooked before we assemble our quesadillas. So now we're ready to start assembling our quesadillas. So you're going to start with your tortilla shell. Next, you're going to add your chicken. What you add of the chicken is your choice. If you want to have a lot of chicken, add a lot. If you want just a little bit of chicken, just add a little bit. Next, you're going to add your cheese. It's a mixture of cheddar and Monterey Jack with a little bit of jalapeno in it. And again, you can add as much or as little cheese as you would like. So that is it. That is how you make or at least that's how I make my chicken quesadilla and a side salad. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave a comment below if you did. Please subscribe. It costs you nothing to do that. Share and like, and we'll see you next time. Adios. So if you enjoyed this recipe, you might want to check out those ones as well. Until next time, bye-bye for now.